Today we're going to be reviewing Coiled fast charging cable. Here's what comes in the bag. We got a pack of 2 USB to USB Type-C cables. See, they're nice and stretchy, and then when you let go, they go back to their original form. So you're not gonna have cables in your car or in your desk. They are all over the place because these are curled. These are very well made. If you could tell, they're very well made. They're really thick. They're really thick, and they're braided. You could tell they're very well made. They're braided. They're fast charging. So you can use it for your iPhone, for your Androids, for your iPads, for your anything that is USB Type-C, or the other way, you can put this on a USB Type-C block and then use it as a USB. I definitely recommend it for the price. Very well made, high data transfer. So if you're looking for a cable that is really well made, is stretchable, it's pretty long. It's gonna last a long time, and you can use it with anything. I'm gonna use it with this power block. You put it on your USB. There's nice, and I like it because it's very compact and it's not going everywhere. And you put it on your phone, and now it's charging. So definitely recommend it. It's braided, nylon, super fast, transfer speed, 5 volts to 3 volts, 5 and 3 volts on charging. So it's fast charging, fast data transfer. I definitely recommend it. So I hope this helped. Thank you.